I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the thermostat. That's a $500 job, $500 plus job. And you're going to be learning for free. All I ask for is for y'all to smash the like button for me so this video can get all the way up there. Let's go. After about 20 minutes of driving, it's still, the temperature sensor has not, the temperature gauge is not moved. It's still on 0. So it's not really, the engine is not functioning, it's not functioning properly. So I'm burning a lot more gas than I'm supposed to. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna change the thermostat. Change the thermostat. Just do that. See what happens. I've changed the spark plugs. I've changed the wires. I've changed all 4 coils. The car runs good, but it's just burning a lot more gas than it's supposed to. So let's do something about that right now. A few things gotta come off. This is the front of the car. You gotta loosen this, loosen this, and take the valves off, PCV valves, right there. So start with this side. This you push up, then you pull back. Push up, pull back. Push up, pull back. This one, you push down, and you pull back. New temperature sensor, and this is the thermostat. Right here, that's the thermostat. So I'm gonna try to release, take these off, and that's the housing. I should take this off. Gonna loosen my little bit of antifreeze in there. Don't get scared. Take that off. And the next thing is to take this off. This is gonna have some antifreeze in it, so you're gonna lose some antifreeze taking this off. 10 socket. Man. The old one to the left, see that? That's not supposed to be open in that corner. There's a little gap. You see it? It's open. This is what a shut one looks like. This is what this one looks like. If you look closely, you'll be able to see the difference right there. There's a gap on this corner. There's no gap over here. So, this is it. Nah. See what I did? I didn't notice? Look, the gasket. Gotta make sure that's completely off. Completely off. Mine. It's getting better. Getting 15 miles per gallon right now. That's getting better. That's better than 9.9. I had reached 9.9. I was scared to step on the gas. Yeah, it's getting better now. Got power. Some spark plugs change, coils change, ignition, coils, wires. Getting better, getting better, getting better. 20.9. 20.9, we doing something now. I changed the spark plugs, I changed the wires, I changed the ignition coils. I even changed the thermostat and the temperature sensor. And I added some catalytic converter cleaner into the gas to clean out the cat. So ain't none of that gunk in there that's slowing up the car. I want to get better gas mileage. I got to get better than 25.6. That was a while ago. That was the best. Let me see if I can do better than that, man.